Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you whitening foot for a soft and fair foot at home to get white feet and to get fair, spotless and glowing naturally whitening foot at home, guys, and with very simple ingredients. I promise you will get great results from the first use, but by using that remedy on a regular basis your foot will be white as snow and fair and glowing naturally. So the first thing we'll need to prepare the remedy is 2 medium-sized lemon, and we need to cut the lemons and squeeze them into a mixing bowl to get the fresh lemon juice like so. Once we squeezed the lemon like so, I'm going to remove the seeds, like the little seeds of it, in order to make that remedy like smooth and easy to use. Once we remove the seeds, we need to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and now we'll need to mix the ingredients very well until you find like the lemon juice got into like kinda they are mixed with the olive oil. I know it's not gonna be perfectly mixed at this stage, but I mean mix it as much as you can because it affects the results. So once you mix it completely, add on it 1 teaspoon of baking soda, now with an aid of cotton ball, apply it on your foot and massage the foot with it like so, my friends. I'm showing it on my hands, but apply it on your foot like so and massage the skin with it for 10 minutes. This magical remedy, guys, whitening your feet naturally and will get you fair and glowing spotless feet, and your foot will look amazing, guys, once you try it. So keep using that remedy once a week to get the amazing results, guys, and from first use you will notice that how your foot actually will get rid of any kind of wrinkles, any kind of spots. Actually you will find it all fair and spotless naturally. So after massaging your skin with it and apply it on your skin for 10 minutes, wash it with water, just cold water, and the result will amaze you, guys. This is an amazing remedy and it's a must try. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.